Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and basically we are on the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, since it is highlighted with this yellow color, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to open the settings, and we can do it just by tapping on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see in the top bar we've got three different options which are connected to the resolution. So right now we've got 1080p option applied. Of course this option is marked, but we can set 720p and 4K. All of them are with 30 frames per second. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. All you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick 4K, and as you can see right now it is highlighted, so it means it is active, and from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.